ADHERE prototype program. So we are at Pie Shop, just taking care of a few things, really working on this presentation, trying to get a lot of things refined. So we're in the ADHERE office, also working on prototyping. So writing the speech right now, it's going well. Prototyping's going well. We're about to start prepping for this piece. We have a few of these other parts going. Pretty much what's printing right now is this upper red portion. And over here we have these side wheel well mounts. Another attempt at it to see how it's going to work. We'll see. Kind of running low on filament. So we're going to start trying to use a lot of these rolls up. It's always better to run a print on a complete rolls. So that means every time by default you print something, you have a little bit left over. But we're going to try and do some prints and squeeze this out to get them going. This one is doing pretty good. It's got a full roll, and it should be enough to finish that print. It's about 40%, so about 60% more. So it'll end up being somewhere about that tall when it's done. Let's see. This is going pretty good. You know, we're running ADHERE for our slicers, multiple printers at the same time. We do have 2 incomplete prototypes at this point. You know, we got the outer shell of one and the inner shell. Actually, we have a complete prototype of one, not functional in a lot of spots, like the wheels and such. This one is what we're working on now. It's going very well. We got the lid. We had to do some sanding and stuff to get it to open and close properly, along with the front smart lid. So that's going pretty good. We did get it illuminated, which is nice. So now, after seeing that, we're pretty we were cutting it out, but now that we saw it, we're going to go ahead and print the glass inlay that goes in here, or plexi, you know, clear PLA for in this case. And that should punch through and fill in all these gaps with clear. And what we'll do is we'll frost it with a clean white, and that should illuminate nicely as a lens. We're putting this back panel here, which has the USB ports, which holds this lid, and then after that we'll start printing these lower back segments, and then handles, grab handles, and then hopefully a telescoping handle. And then I don't know what we're gonna do, if we're gonna have enough time to do the inside, but we'll try and take a stab at it, see if we can get something going. But yeah, overall it's going really well. You can see the profile's nice. It's a real nice thin profile. It has a very smart appearance to it. Very much looking like an Android in a lot of different ways, and it will operate very similar to an Android. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of on the list. But other than that, let's see what else we got. I think that's about all that's going on. So we will go ahead and do an update for everybody probably this week. There's going to be a lot of updates, trying to work through this presentation, getting ready for demo day, really focusing hard on getting this speech written really well with the right words, the right pauses, the right moments, captivating, you know, methodical, you know, really want to pull people in. And I also don't want to read a prompter. So my target is to memorize the whole thing and have it down packed by the time we get to the 18th. So I got about 6 weeks, probably this week, spend a lot of time writing, maybe next week. And after that, really just hammering in on it, you know, 100 times a day until I get it down where it's just like speaking, you know, like it's not a big deal. So yeah, a lot of work to do to pull that off, but I think it's going pretty good. So we'll give an update for everybody later. Figure out.